Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make hoodie. So here I fold my fabric into 4 and I mark out my starting point. The next thing to do is to go in by 2 inch. The next thing to do is to mark your neck width, which I use 3. I use 3 there and I use 1 for my neck depth. So I'm going to connect the line. After connecting the lines, I slant my shoulder by 2. I used to slant my shoulder and I measure my armhole, which I used 11 for my armhole, and I went in by 2 again down there. So I'm going to connect my armhole. After connecting that armhole, measure your length. From that your starting point, you measure your length. I'm supposed to use 31 here, so I minus 2 inch for the belt, the waistband. So after that, you will cut it out. After cutting it out, separate the back from the front. Then this one now you're going to come down by 4 inch for your front depth, your front neck. Mark it and connect the lines. Cut it out after that. So here we're going to cut the sleeve. After marking my starting point, you can see how I slant my tape. So you slant your tape the same way, measure your sleeve length and also the circumference, this wrist circumference, which I used 7 there. Then I connect it to the armhole. I'm going to cut it out now. After cutting it, make sure you notch the center part. So the next thing is to cut my waistband. You fold your fabric into 4. You fold your fabric into 2, and I marked 6 upward, just as you can see. I marked 6, and I'm marking it 2 places because 1 will not be enough. So I just cut out 2 for the front and back. After that, you're going to cut out for the sleeve, you're going to cut out the sleeve band also. For the sleeve, I use 6 by 10. So after that, the next thing I'm doing here is to cut out the hoodie itself, the cap. That's what I'm measuring. So I used 12.5 by width and 16 inches by length. So after that, I went in by 2 inch at the corner, just as you can see. I went in by 2 inch, and at the down part, I came up by 1 inch, and I also came in again by 1 inch. So I curved the line and I cut it out. So after that, I went in by 2 inch there, and at the down part I went in by also 1 inch. I came down by 7 inch. So I have to connect the lines together. That will be the pocket opening. And the other part, if you watch your hoodie pocket, is not straight, so that is why we slanted it at the down part also. So I cut it out, and after that, make sure you notch the center. So I'll go ahead and fold the both parts, which is the pocket area, and here I'm done sewing it on top of the body. This is the front body. I'll go ahead now and join the back part and the front body together, and also after that I will join the 2 sleeves. So here I'm done joining it together, and I've also closed the side part. So this is what we have. The next thing now is to sew the hoodie itself. You take it to your machine and sew it around. After that, this is what you have here. So you're going to join it to the neck. Hold your neck this way, notch the center part of your neck, front neck. Then you will take your hoodie, place it from that center part, you go and sew it round. So after sewing it, this is what we have here. The next thing now is to join the sleeve band to it. And while joining the sleeve band, make sure you're dragging it in order to accommodate it. So now we are done sewing the sleeve band. The next thing is to join the waistband. So you're going to measure the waist. Whatever you got from that your waist minus 4 inch. Just as you can see now, the way I'm measuring it. After that, minus 4 inch from it and measure it, the band, the waistband. After minusing the 4 inch, what you have is what you're going to measure as the waistband. After cutting it out, take it to your machine and sew it. You will fold it the same way I folded the sleeve before the sleeve band before joining it. So this is what we have after sewing it. Guys, thanks for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.